Hi friends, this is Katrina Kennedy. Have you ever wanted to give participants choice in the content you cover in a virtual class, but you've been worried about how to manage your slides and how to make that happen? I want to show you how to create choice using hyperlinks in PowerPoint. So I'm using a deck from a class I teach on overcoming the awkward silence in the virtual space. And I give everyone a choice of 6 different response methods that we can talk about. So let's just imagine that they say, let's talk about the Wonderwall. So I'll click on Wonderwall, and that takes me to the slide on the Wonderwall. I talk them through how to add what they're curious about to the Wonderwall, and then they know how to use it. Then I return using that question in the corner to the main page where all 6 of the options are. So we can talk about another one, or we could move forward to other topics. So let me show you exactly how I do it. We'll use the FAQ as our example. So on FAQ, I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to select the Command K option. That's going to bring up the Insert Hyperlink table. And on that, I'm going to choose the FAQ slide. Say OK. Now, when I put the deck into slideshow mode and select FAQ, it's going to take me directly to that slide. But what about getting back? So this big question mark is going to be the spot that I'm going to select Command K again, go to my slide title, select the slide I want to return to, which is the 6 ways to get the responses, say OK. Now in slideshow mode, when I click on the question mark, it's going to take me right back to the 6 ways to get responses. But what if I want to move forward from this and I don't want to go through the slides on the 6 ways? So we're going to add a quick decorative element to this slide. And I'm going to select Command K again, go to the Thanks for Watching slide, select that. Now, when I can use that orange bar to click on through to my last slide in the deck or whatever content would be next. So that's a quick and easy way to move around your deck with the participants choosing what they talk about. Those hyperlinks, just use your Command K. You can go anywhere in your deck. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you have fun with it. And if you have questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching.